Hi everyone. Today we're learning some really useful English words that start with the letter Y. Let's go through them with simple examples. When learning English, it's easy to get confused by words like yard, garden, patio, and courtyard. They all describe outdoor spaces, but they're used in different ways depending on the country and the type of space. Let's take a closer look at what each word means and when to use them. Yard. A general term for the land around a house, usually covered with grass. The kids are playing in the yard. Backyard refers specifically to the area behind the house. It can be grassy or have a patio. Playground. We had a barbecue in the backyard. Garden usually refers to the entire outdoor area behind a house, even if it has grass or play space. The children are playing in the garden. UK. She has a beautiful vegetable garden. US. Patio. A paved outdoor area often used for sitting, dining, or relaxing. It's usually made of concrete, tiles, or stone. Let's eat outside on the patio. Courtyard. An open space surrounded by buildings or walls, often found in apartments, schools, or historical homes. The museum has a quiet courtyard for visitors. Yak. A large, long-haired animal that lives in the mountains of Asia, especially the Himalayas. People use it for carrying loads, milk, and wool. The yak is well adapted to cold mountain climates. Yam. A sweet potato-like vegetable. She baked a yam for dinner. Yarn. Thick thread used for knitting or crochet. She bought red yarn to knit a sweater. Yawn. To open your mouth wide when tired or bored. He yawned during the boring class. Year. 12 months. We traveled a lot this year. Yearly annual happening once a year. The rent increases yearly. Yell. To shout loudly. She yelled for help. Missy tore my Professor Proton picture and now Dad's yelling at me. Sheldon is upset because Missy got angry and tore his favorite picture of Professor Proton. Now their dad is yelling at him because of the fight. Be careful. The word tear can mean two very different things in English, depending on how it's used. And it's even pronounced differently. 1. Verb. Meaning to pull something apart, especially paper, fabric. Don't tear the page. 2. Meaning the water that comes out of your eyes when you cry. A tear rolled down her cheek. Yellow, a bright color. The sunflowers are yellow. Yes, a word used to agree or confirm. Do you want to go? Yes, I do. Yeah is an informal way to say yes. It's common in casual conversations. Yeah, let's go now. Yesterday, the day before today. I saw her yesterday. Yogurt, a creamy dairy food. I eat yogurt for breakfast. Yolk, the yellow part of an egg. Don't break the yolk when you fry the egg. Young, not old, they are young and full of energy. Youth, the time when someone is young. He enjoyed the freedom of his youth. Yummy, tasting very good. This cake is really yummy. A continuación tienes algunas expresiones y frases comunes, todas informales y muy usadas en el habla cotidiana, especialmente por los niños. Kids always say, "Yummy in my tummy," after eating something they love. That smells yummy. What are you cooking? Your lunch looks yummy. I brought you a little yummy treat, chocolate cookies. Grandma always makes yummy food for us. Awesome! You've just learned 20 English words starting with Y. Keep going, check out the next video and grow your English from A to Z.